baby, don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna back instead of see me walking out the door?
Hi guys, welcome to my second official video on YouTube. For those who do not know me, someone is looking at me. For those who do not know me, igama lami ngisinenhlanhla wakwaBiyela, and I do hope that you enjoy your stay and become part of the family. And thank you for the 20 subscribers. Ngiyabonga kakhulu and ngiyanithanda. Guys, I am going to attend ngo-4. Imagine I didn't have classes all day and I'm having a class ngo-4. How crazy is that? That's so weird. But it's fine, we are going to attend and I'm taking you guys along with me since I didn't attend yesterday. So this is going to be my first day because I didn't attend yesterday. But anyways, bye. Let us go to class. Guys, can I tell you something? Let me tell you something. Score, yeah. It's score, yeah.
Score, yeah. It's score, yeah.
Guys, why did this lecturer cancel the class? Lapho sengigezile yeka amandla ami okugeza I was gonna take a shower vele, but then this lecturer cancelled the class. But when they got the class lang for in, so I don't have a class. Sorry guys, truly sorry. I'm gonna see you tomorrow because I have a class tomorrow at 2:30. We're gonna start this video. Guys, I have to go give my friend her gift. Her birthday it's a late birthday gift. Her birthday was on the first of the month. Was on the 1st of Jan, New Year's. So I wasn't with her. She was in Mpumalanga, I was in KZN. So I'm going to give her her gift. Now let us go. I'm so excited.
I'm gonna use it. Friendly gape. Pocket is free.
Yes, come get it. What? All the way from KZN.
I never thought of it, right?
Morning guys, don't mind my ducle. I just woke up. I am craving a porridge, homemade porridge, so I decided that I'm gonna do one because I really want it. So we're gonna do it right now. Let me drink more water. Let's go. Happy Valentine's Day guys. Ngiyanithanda mina bafethu. Ningavumeli abafana abadlala ingane. Mina ngiyanithanda. I have a class ngo 2:30 and I am about to leave. This is my outfit. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see me, but this is what I'm wearing. Mr. Price legit and Mr. Price lie. I'm also gonna carry these shoes simply because I know the shoes I'm wearing would at home, so I don't wanna find myself walking barefooted again. So I'm just gonna put these shoes just in case these other shoes is cool, because you guys, hey, last year was cool, man. That was embarrassing, but then y'all guys, I'm packing now. Guys, I'm back from class and I ended off my day in such a nice way because I actually bumped into my favorite YouTuber here at school. Like, I was so happy to see her. My gosh, she's so pretty. But yeah, guys, I'm back from class. It was draining as always. Nothing much. Guys, I'm tired. Morning guys, welcome to another day and to the video. Today is the 15th of February, Thursday, and I'm about to go to class because I have a class managing 11. Let us go. I feel like I'm always wearing black now, but this is my outfit and some sweater. Yeah, let us go to class, guys. Guys, I'm back from class and it was a really nice class, I'm not gonna lie. The lecturer was telling us about the module and everything. Like, I really enjoyed that lecture. I feel like that's gonna be one of my favorite modules, but I don't wanna count my eggs before they hatch. But I think that was my favorite class so far. I really enjoyed. Really enjoyed. I'm looking forward to the whole semester with that lecturer. Yeah, guys. So guys, I wanted to tell y'all, okay, I'm seated on the floor, which is so weird. Okay, I wanted to tell you guys about yesterday. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, right? So my friends and I decided to do a Girlentine's thingy. But then we didn't have money, so we tried by all means to make it cute, and I did enjoy it, guys. Let me show you some clips. So guys, this was the mini setup. Drinks and that's on cheers to the freaking weekend. This was when I spilled the wine on the fleas. I get la, guys, we were practicing. This is us now. Washa. Literally technical my guys. Yeah, we couldn't resist a maskandi. No. Then we had to close it off with Itomoyama level. Ito. Guys, these are my church mates. Yes. Bye guys. Morning guys, it's Friday today. I don't like talking in the morning, so it's It's Friday today. I have a closet up for 7. It is currently 10 past and I'm about to leave. What else did I want to say? I don't know. I'll show you guys my outfits. Connie videos or that. I don't get 7 classes, guys. Honestly, I go. Guys, I'm about to leave for my second class. It's at 11. Guys, I'm not okay, guys. I'm not. I even lost appetite. That's how not okay I am. I'm just waiting for my mom to text me but I'm about to get to my class, my last class of the day, and then I'm done. But guys, some people are rude. Guys, we're about to leave now, going to my second class. I just had a breakdown, but then my mom helped me. Let us go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. If you have come this far, please don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe to be part of the channel. And until next time, bye.
Bye-bye, Nika. Sobonan. Sobonan ang halin nilang. Sobonan ang